Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you change the payout bank in your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the bank that you receive your Stripe payouts to? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going to switch to a different business bank account to receive your Stripe money. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change or update the banking information for your Stripe account, there's two different ways you can get to it. The first and easiest way is you want to click right here in the search bar and just type in bank. Once you do that, look for this line, settings, business, bank accounts, and currencies. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you here to your settlement currencies and bank accounts. You can see my Chase account is connected here. The second way you can do that is you can click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you want to click here on business. Once you click on business, you're going to see this menu along the top, and you want to click on bank accounts and currencies. Okay, either way, you can see that it brings you here to the same place. And in order to update or change this bank account, off to the right, you're going to click on these three little dots. Next, you want to click on edit bank account. Okay, after you do that, you're going to get this instruction box. So you can go ahead and enter in the account holder name. They do let you know it must match exactly as you have it on your bank account. Otherwise, your payment could be declined. And next, you want to go ahead and enter in the routing number and the full account number to that bank account. Also, if you're going to be changing your bank account that you paid out for your Stripe earnings, just note they let you know if you already have a payment being sent out and it's in transit, that's going to go to your old bank account. It will not go to this new bank account that you're listing. So just kind of be aware of that. And once you've entered in this information, click on edit account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update or change the bank account that you receive your Stripe payments to, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.